Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I will be guiding you through how you can cancel your Adcb credit card. If you want to cancel your Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank's credit card, then the process is quite easy, so make sure you follow the video till the end. Open up a web browser to get started. Now go to the URL box and type in adcb.com and search. Doing this will take you to the official website for Adcb Bank, from where you will need to scroll all the way down and get to this Call Us link under Get in Touch. Once you click on Call Us, it'll then provide you with the list of phone numbers you can make a phone call on. Simply go ahead and make a phone call and talk to the customer service representative. Provide the representative with your credit card details and answer any security questions. Before closing your card or telling the customer service representative that you'd like to cancel your card, make sure that there are no pending balances and also clear any remaining balance on your credit card account. After you've done that, simply follow through the instructions as directed by the customer service representative and you will be able to cancel your credit card for Adcb Bank. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.